here is how to fill a Chibi tank using a blunt needle. You will need, this is actually a large tube, but never mind, a Chibi tank, bottle of juice, a dressmaker's pin, I don't know if that can focus in, a syringe, preferably 3ml or 2.5ml, that's about best, even 1ml, and a blunt needle. So, we begin by getting the dressmaker's pin and putting it literally down, if you can see this, I don't know if you can, the side of the Chibi tank. Be careful not to pierce it, which I just have done. Using it really at an angle. Just slide it right down between the grommet and the side of the tank. So you should get something that you can see that, like that. You can slide it in as much or as little as you want. Now this is a homemade mix, which personally I'm a homemade mixer and it's black cotton PG VG 70/30 mix. Hence my 21 gauge diesels were not doing the job. So I'm just gonna throw it. First method is a tad more messy, but not to worry. So that's that drawn up. And blunt needle. They come in red or pink, all sorts of colours. I tend to get mine from Deedles or else because they're a lot cheaper than, say, the e-cig vendors. Now we see we have that. We're going to use this as a guide to get our... We're going to wiggle it about first of all, just to get some airspace and make some space in between the thing. She says. Get it liquid all over the Mac. And then literally what we're going to do is, using it as a guide, slide it right down between the grommet and the side of the plastic. So as you can see, I've used that as a guide and now I have them both side by side. If you're doing a big fill, you might want to take that off and then just literally real fill to make it easier. But that's when changing cartos. And now it's just a simple question of filling. You can take the needle out at this point, it doesn't really matter. It's 6 or 1 or half a dozen. I tend to like to leave a little bit of an air gap in the thing, just a wee bit of an air gap. And these dressmakers pins you can get anywhere. Take that out. This is the syringe out. That was just me squirting the thing back in and taking out my needle. And then you can see I've just got the pin left. Hopefully. You do get a wee bit of mess, which you can wipe off with a baby wipe or anything, really. Not to worry. Take the pin out, and then it needs to be not a tiny pin, but not a long pin. A dressmaker's pin is fine. I like the ones with a kind of like plastic thing on the end, but it's entirely up to you, the cheapest chips. And look, we can see we have a nicely filled carto ready to go. Ta-ta! This is MB46 doing a little tutorial on how to refill a chibi using a plug needle. Ta-ta! Take care!